Hello, dear children, and welcome to the second part of the lesson. It's only a matter of practice. In the previous part, you were introduced to the story and also did the reading. I hope all of you have practiced the reading of the story well. So let's begin today, and you will know what actually happened in this story. Before we do that, look at the first paragraph in the story. The meanings for the words. Archer is someone who shoots arrows from a bow. Skilled, good at something or experienced. Feats, achievements that require a lot of skill or strength. Target is a marked board to shoot at when you practice archery. Precisely, exactly. So these are the words covered in the first paragraph of the story. Now, I will narrate the story to you, part by part. Long ago, many years ago, in China, there lived an archer, and his name was Chen Yaozi. He was very good at archery, and he could perform wonderful feats. That is all his achievements. He could hit the target exactly at the bullseye that is in the center of the target, even though the target was placed at a very long distance. And whenever he used to perform these skills of his archery, people used to gather around him to admire his beautiful skills. The words in the second paragraph are gourds. These are dried vegetables, for example, bottle gourd, which were used in olden days in China as containers to store liquids. Nodding, shaking your head up and down. Uttered, said. So one day, as Chen Yaozi was practicing his skill in front of all the people, that is his admirers, he noticed an old man standing behind in the crowd. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from his shoulders. These gourds were suspended on a long cane. They were hanging from a long cane. While all the other people were clapping and praising Chen Yaozi, this old man did not clap, nor did he say anything. He did not praise Chen Yaozi. He only stood there looking at Chen Yaozi and nodding his head. And as he nodded his head, moved his head up and down, he said, "It's just a matter of practice." Now, when Chen Yaozi heard the words of this old man, he was very angry. And in anger, he asked the old man, "Are you an archer? Do you know anything about the skills of bow and arrow? Do you think anyone can do what I am doing?" To this, the old man replied, "No, sir, I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. I don't have any questions about your skill. But all that I said was anything that we do is a matter of practice. It depends on how much we practice. Now, hearing this, Chen Yaozi became more angrier, and he asked the old man angrily, "How can you pass such remarks or comments without thinking? Who do you think you are?" Thoughtless comments mean a statement made without thinking. It can also mean remarks made without thinking. Now, the old man answered Chen Yaozi. He said, "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed, seeing my goats that I carry on my shoulders. Every day I fill these goats with oil, and I have been doing this for years together. So I too, over the years, have achieved some skill in filling these goats. And if you allow me, I can show it to you." In the following verse, the word growled means to make a low, rough sound in anger. Curious means anxious to know or very much want to see and know. So here, Chen Yaozi was still angry. With anger, he growled and said he was ready to see what the old man wanted to show him. So patiently, the old man put down an empty gourd on the ground, and then he removed a small coin and placed it on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, that is in ancient China, small coins had a hole at the center of it. Then the old man stood up and he took some oil in his ladle. Ladle is a long spoon which has a bowl-like container at one end and it is curved at the other. So the man took the oil in his ladle and started pouring the oil into the gourd from a height. The oil passed through the hole in the coin and started getting filled in the gourd. The old man finished filling up the gourd and he lifted up the coin which was placed on the gourd, and not a single drop of oil was seen on that coin. The people watching this were speechless. They couldn't speak because they were so surprised. But the old man was humble. He only smiled and he said that I could do this because every day I kept doing the same thing and it was a practice. The meaning for the word trace is mark or sign. In this case, there was no sign or mark of the oil on the coin, as the old man had poured the oil through the hole in the coin into the gourd. The next word is speechless, which means not able to speak due to wonder or surprise. When Chen Yaozi saw all that the old man did, he lost his anger. He was no more angry, and Giving a short laugh, he remarked that he had learned something very important that day. So, finally, never again did Chen Yaozi show off or boast about his skill of archery, because that day he had learned a valuable lesson from the old man, that every skill is a matter of practice, and it is only through practice that you can achieve a skill or become perfect in whatever you do. So now, children, after the narration of the story, you might have understood that every skill is a matter of practice. And that is why we say that if you want to achieve any skill, you need to practice it daily till you are good at it. Thank you.